Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Monday, February 13th, 2012. The following are a few examples of trade setups that occur on a consistent basis. These trade setups are described in detail in the trading manual and in the live daily Shark Den, where more advanced trade setups are discussed. Today we are showing 4 trade setups for a potential profit of 21 ES ticks. The market opened up this morning at 1348.75. And as you see, within the first half hour, we had a hook pattern set up, the break to the downside, and they talk about symmetry or symmetrical patterns or measured moves. And that's what we saw here. You'll notice that the swing high to the swing low for a move to the downside, where a continuation measured move is accomplished. Now we go to the trigger chart, where we had an opportunity to get short. I did not take this trade. It occurred during a no trade zone, and we generally don't take any trades from 9:30 till 9:45 unless we get trade setups in the direction of the gap fill. This just happened awful fast for us, but in the meantime, when you're going back over your notes, you can see how we had an opportunity, how price action pulled back to the moving average for a continuation down here for a total of 6 ticks. We then had a wave trade set up here to the downside right there, a little just before 9 o'clock, and the profit target on that was about 8 ticks. Notice it took a lot of pressure. We had actually a 7-tick stop sitting on that particular trade, and it followed through down for a total of 8 ticks. We then watched how price action was dropping. We did talk about 1344.50 as soon as the market opened up this morning. Had a nice retracement back to the moving average. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 7 ticks. We then had a wave trade set up directly behind that, and I got scared out. I actually pulled my stop here at minus 2 ticks, and it didn't even come close to my stop. And as a result, it followed through for a total of 6 ticks. I'm not counting it for 6 ticks. I'm counting it as a 2-tick loss because that's what I took in the room. And then we had a breakthrough to the upside, pull back. Target 1 and target 2 were hit for a total of 8 ticks. And then we went into a no trade zone. Look at how narrow this no trade zone is. Generally, this will spread almost the full screen of the computer. This is just confirming the lower volume from 11:30 until 1:15. Coming out of the no trade zone, we really ran our way back right up into the opening price, consolidated, congested. We didn't see any further opportunities to get in long or short. It just hung around opening price for the rest of the day. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.